All right, this week on this old Sky Crane, we made progress, sort of. So, what the hell day is it? Day 209 left until I said I would have it done. Yeah, this is funny. So, the mechanics. I took the mechanics out because I needed to do some measurements for Barry on his little urethane bushings that go in here in the cup. And you can see those right there. Sort of, kind of, if I can get in here. That little bushing that's right there in the middle. Get some light down there. That little round thing. I think Vario puts a piece of leather in there. But he made these cool urethane bushings and said, hey, Mikey, try these out. Hey, they work great. So, I had to get those measurements. While I was in there, cleaning and lubricating and doing all this sort of stuff, and I noticed that the gears were really dirty and caked, and the dry gear lube that I used, which was, what's this? This one. This is dry fluid, and it's the gear lube, and I'd wanted to try it. So, being metal on metal, I figured, okay, this is what's going to work. But here is the video I took of the pinion gear, which is right there on the inside after a few hours of running it. So, yeah, there is some sparklies in here, and I'm sure it's from that one wearing down before the main one wears down, because I've already replaced this one once. And I'm looking at it. You can definitely see a wear pattern, and I haven't cleaned this one off, but you can see all of the glittery stuff in there. I called up my guru of gurus, Joel Rosenzweig, and I said, hey, what the hell do you put on your gears when they're metal? He said, try this synthetic grease. So, I got the gears all cleaned up, and we've got some synthetic grease on there, and we're going to test that out, because that little pinion that's back in there does wear out a lot faster than this stainless steel gear, and I only have one more of these, so I did some research and did some timing, and I'm up to 6.5 hours of flight time on the Sky Crane since I started flying it. So I got some stuff. So we're going to try that out with the Mobile One synthetic grease, and we're going to try it out. Now, on to rivets. I'm pulling my hair out again because here are the tops of the legs. Got them all pretty much done on here, and there's like, there's two different sizes of rivets. There's the normal size rivets, and then there's these big honking things that run up the sides. Now, actually, these are a specific type of rivet, and they're really tall. And I can't remember the name of it. Tyler Gray's going to go, well, I can't make really tall rivets and make it stand out, so they get really fat rivets, is what I did to them. So I got those all in there. Then I'm going, okay, I need to get this section done and all this. Well, on the full size, this section actually needs to be out to here. So Vario, in their infinite wisdom, decided to shorten up the tail boom and make me pull all my hair out. So this section should have another one back here, but it's not. So I'm having to fudge all of my positions and all of my lines, because I should have, this should be a single line and not one with a mount. Then I should have the mount. Then I should have another single line and then another mount. So it should be like way out here, but this should be flat and not curving in to the tail boom. So yeah, I am pulling my hair out once again. So I've got my lines drawn all on here, and like the bottom ones that are on here, these that should go all the way out to the edge where this corner is, should have 3 rows. Kind of like that. 3 rows. But in reality, I've got to fudge this, and it goes to the first one, and I'll have 3 here, and then I'll have a row of 2 here. And then these will be the singles and all that kind of good stuff. So, just as an update, I am working on it. My son actually cleared off my table so that I can flip this thing over. He's got the extra 300 sitting over there. And I was surprised. He's like, I'm getting it off there so you can start working on stuff. So I have no excuses. I can't even use my son as an excuse to say I'm not working on the crane. But I am working on the crane. So there you go. We're all updated. 209 days left to go. Yeah. All right. Get on it. Get out and build something.